Good day, my name's Dale. This is May 6, 2014. We are in a live trading room. It was brought to you by Echo Traders. In the room today we had three instruments go to winning targets, and we'd like to quickly show you how we arrive at our targets. We use fibs to get the targets. So we have CL on the left-hand chart, and we're going to show you a quick disclaimer. We have NG in the center, and we have YM on the right-hand side. So let's find the disclaimer. We'll show you that. If I could find the darn thing. Here we go. So while you're reading the disclaimer, I'll quickly go over a couple things that we look for. We trade support and resistance, and we use Fibonacci to get our targets. So fibs are for targets, and we use them very well. They're easy to put on. However, you don't need them, but we enjoy using them because it gives us a target to stay in the trade. We insist that you have a trading plan and you trade the plan, and if you don't have a trading plan, or your trading plan needs to be improved a little, we can help with that. So you've had time to view the disclaimer, and we're just going to drop down to NG. Okay. Now, on this here NG chart here, we will show you how to put the fibs on. I'm just going to remove the arrows. Give me a second. Whoops. And here we go again. Real quick. We want to keep your charts as clean as possible. I recommend that you use one moving average or very few moving averages. We recommend that you, every time your plan sets up, that you trade your plan. Okay, so we're going to minimize this. We'll show you the 4-minute chart. You can use a 3, a 2, a 3, a 5, 10, 15-minute chart, whatever you wish. All right. In the room, we show 4. We'll explain at a later date why we use a 4-minute chart. For trading support, everyone knows that between a swing high and a swing low, you have a 100 and a 0, right? You have a 100% and a 0 where the move starts, right? And the move goes toward the 100. It came from the 100 to get your exhaustion. Does this make sense? From your 100, it goes all the way to 0, and then we put retracement fibs on your chart to give you the retracement target. These are easy. Let me show you how. Okay, and all we want to do is take the meat in the middle. All right, from 23 to 76. Now, the true Fibonacci number is 78.6. We're using this, so you can put the fibs on upside down. You'll still get a nice trade. Okay, we prefer them being put on the right way, so bear with me. We're going to simplify this demonstration by going and putting it on your 30-minute chart. So let's grab your 30-minute chart. Excuse me. And we enlarge the 30-minute chart. We open the room about 7:30 in the morning. I'm just going to take this your 30-minute chart. I'm going to pull it over so we don't see the right-hand edge. Now you know it went to target. You know that the market today went to 4.805. The retracement target that we go after is your 76.4. We'll show you where that is. So let's, all right. So from a simple moving average, the white line, on the 30-minute chart, you're going to put a retracement fib target from a swing high, and you have exhaustion here at your swing high, to an exhausted to the downside. Now you'll notice that your swing that we're using is the highest swing to the lowest swing. Okay? This is May 6th, which is on the right-hand side of the chart. All right? The little black arrow means we're not seeing the full right-hand side yet, but we're going to see it very shortly. All right? And all three targets, we do this the same with all three instruments. All right? And we had all three go to target today. All right? So it was a very good day. Sometimes we only have 1 out of 3 or 2 out of 3 instruments go to target within the time period that we trade. Okay, so this is after hours right now. We just want to show you the demonstration really quick. You're going to go to your drawing box, drawing tools, and you'll find your Fibonacci retracement, okay? And you click on that, and you'll have Fibonacci retracements. And you're just going to go to the swing high, and just go slightly to the left-hand side. This is brought to you by EchoTraders.com, and we're using NinjaTrader LLC for our trading platform. All right, so let's put a fib on, a retracement fib, and we just double tap, and it'll automatically go where it's supposed to the high and to the low. All right, so we're going to do that again. And we're going to bring this one to the right-hand side. Okay? And we just line them up. We keep this one just to line it up as a reference where the 100 is. All right? So the 100's there. Okay? And then the downward move is the part that we're retracing, and you can see our target is clearly 4.805, okay? So this is what I want to do here, and I'm just going to take the 0 off. So all we're doing here is referencing where the 100 came from, this exhaustion part here, okay? Then we exhaust it to the downside, and we can spread this out so you have a nice candlestick pattern. Even though this is a 30-minute candle, it just goes really nice for demo. All right, so exhaustion to the downside, then you're retracing. We're retracing and looking for support all along. All right, so here's your SMA, and the price action moves above your SMA and retests your SMA, and you find support. From your 23-hour target, when you have your 23.6 become support or resistance, trading the opposite way, it works excellent in both directions. Your 76.4 is your target. You can choose to take money off at any particular place you like, you prefer. This is your pullback area right here, and it goes between your 61 and your 38. Okay, here's your 38 here. All right. And that is a great target to take a position off, and it comes back to support. Add that position back on. Trade your plan. Very important. Trade your plan. All right. Okay, so let's advance. We got into this shear trade at 4.707, and we added to our position at 721. All right, so you're going to see this here how it plays out. We'll keep it scrunched up so you can see the whole move. So our 76.4 is to the upside, and when we're looking for our 78, our 728, I'm sorry, our 728 to become support. All right, so that's 728 right here. All right. And you can take money off at 728. We're looking at, it's Echo Traders. At Echo Trader, you want to know a little more, just contact us, support at echotraders.com. It's Echo Trades. It's repeat trades. Often our targets are hit multiple times, and you can trade the same trade over and over until it doesn't work anymore. Isn't that terrific? All right. Skeptical, you can be skeptical but not rude. It is acceptable to be skeptical. All right. Okay, so we will advance. So right at first here, trading support, right? Here's your support. Okay. You're trading support, and you trade to your targets. All right. And here's your first target. There. The first target is reached again. 728. It's reached and filled. And once we start looking for, once you keep trading support, then our shaded area here, we look to trade from the lower part of the shaded area. In this case, we're trading on to the upper part. And if you know anything about fibs, anything at all, you'll know how the numbers run. We don't have to explain. There's thousands of explanations on YouTube to figure out how to. We're just going to show you how to put your fibs on. Not in this here depict, but every day we put our fibs on live, and we trade live markets. There's no dead charts. You're viewing a dead chart at this point. There are no dead charts in the live trading room. All right? So let's advance. The market goes from one side of your shaded to the other, whichever way you're trading, and boom, there you go. So if you took a little money off at 775, but don't take yourself completely out of the market. Our target is 4.805, and we should get to that slight pullback, and then here's your 805. Now let's go to real time. And it kind of hung out up there. And it's still there right now. This here is running real time. No volume left at this time of day. This here's about 6:30, 7:30, I guess, 7:30 Eastern time. Okay, and that's all there is to it. You just put your fibs on, and you trade support to 76. Your real fib number is 78.6. All right, 78.6%. We use 23 and 76.4 because if you put the fibs on upside down, you still get to your opposite target. Okay, so I hope you had a good time, and you're welcome back anytime. Just contact us for to look over our shoulders in the trading room free anytime you like, and we'll send you an invite and bring you into the room. And if you need more than one invite, just request another one, and we'll take care of it from there. Any questions on what you saw here today? Just